Okay, I'm going to talk a little bit about my square root number line guesser. In this sketch, students are given a random number and they're asked to basically put the square root of that number on a number line. And there's sort of 4 difficulty levels here. So this is the easiest difficulty level. We got perfect squares up to 100. So as you try another one, it generates another random number. Obviously, there's only a limited amount if we're talking about perfect squares up to 100. But as you do that, so you're supposed to drag this to where you think that perfect square will have a square root. And so if I choose 7, hopefully I'm correct. And it shows the answer wherever that is. And so if you do it wrong, so here's 25, and say I do that it's 4, I don't know, let's say, show the answer, it shows the correct answer in that form. The next level of difficulty is to do perfect squares up to 500, and so a much longer and less detailed number line. And so same idea though, it's asking it randomly generates a perfect square that under 500, and in this case 121, and so I drag this to where I think that is, and it's a little bit more difficult in that there are halves involved, so 10, 10.5, 11, so students really do have to understand the number line. They show their answer, and that shows up there. To make it a little bit more difficult, we are doing a little bit of estimation, and we really hope that students do not use a calculator for this. That's not what this is about. But estimate square root of 85 by dragging the blue line under the number line below, and so they have to know where that is going to be approximately. So square root of 85 should be above 9 somewhere, but below 10, and so I'm going to take a rough estimate somewhere like that and show the answer, and it shows me the answer. And then of course we take that up a notch and do perfect squares or square roots up to 500 in the same way.